Career and technical education equal learning that works in STEM studies. Times have changed, and if you want to get started in a good profession or you want to advance in your current career, there's good news. You don't need a 4-year degree to get there. High-paying job opportunities await those who earn an associate in applied science and STEM studies, such as an Unmanned Systems degree. Unmanned Systems technology is one of the fastest growing sectors in today's career market. It is the future of aviation. Unmanned vehicles are used today in an ever-increasing number of industries, such as agriculture, surveying, construction, mining, environmental sciences, commercial package delivery, public utilities and energy, cinematography and photography, search and rescue, and public safety and law enforcement. And all of these industries are currently understaffed in qualified professionals. Many good jobs only need an industry credential or an associate degree. That holds true with many of the career and technical education pathways you'll find at New Jersey community colleges, including a variety of STEM programs available in your region that provide skills to serve high-tech business needs. The skills you learn with an Unmanned Systems degree or certificates in drone pilot or drone maintenance and repair are in high demand and extend to a wide variety of industries. Median earnings based on education levels vary, but an associate degree in STEM studies can pay on average as well or even more than careers that require a 4-year degree. The labor market is desperate for highly trained, highly skilled technicians, and community colleges are in a perfect position to assist you in forging your future in a high-tech career. Career and technical education, learning that works.